Welcome dear friend. Let's resolve the internet problem of Telenor. We will do this through three ways. First would be call, second SMS, and another would be manual configuration. By call, you will simply call or dial 345 from your handset and the operator will send you the internet setting. Second would be SMS and the third one would be manual configuration. Before this, I already uploaded internet setting problems or issues of JAWS, Uphone and Zoom. So you will see the thumbnail at the end of this video. Let's go to the screen how we will fix the issue of Telenor. Now it's the second method. So we will go to SMS, start chat and simply type 131 and write WAP. Now let's see that what it says. Although we have already done manual configuration, so let's wait for their SMS. WAP has been written and now it is sent to 131. They will SMS back or they will send us configuration. So yes, it's available, but they say that it can't be done because we have already done it. So let's go for manual. In manual configuration settings, mobile network, and after mobile network, mobile data. Now preferred network mode, first option LTE WCD auto, and now we will change our access point name APN. Better you on off 4G button also. So APN is open. Note the 4 dots, click it, press reset to default, press it again, and now new APN. First we will write the name, which is Telenor. Next would be APN. Press OK. APN is internet. Username and password is also Telenor because both have the same spellings. So press OK. Username Telenor again, and we will proceed further to our destination of resolving the issue of Telenor internet problem. Password is also TELENOR. Now let's move ahead for our configuration, and now we will go to APN. APN type. We will use default only DEFAULT, but in some handsets default SULP is also written. So we are here writing default only. APN protocol. This is IPv4/IPv6. And APN roaming protocol, it's also the same. Now let's check barrier. Now barrier is unspecified, but in some handsets the adjacent 4 are also pressed. So we are only depending unspecified, the first one, that is ticked, and now we have done with it. So simply tick mark or press OK from your mobile and it's done. Select the lower one, it's the new configuration that we have made. This is the default configuration after inserting the SIM I am sharing you, and this was taken from my mobile through image. Now let's check. Wi-Fi is off, internet is on, our mobile data is on, and let's see either it's work or not working. So you are watching the speed is very good. Yes, it's working. So let's see, and again I hope you would like. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel.